Hey guys, welcome to Accordion for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Accordion. Let's start coding. I need to create a div first with accordion class name. And I also need an ID too. Let's say accordion example. Let's create another div for accordion item. And let's create our header section. And we need ID for title 2, header 1. And we need to create a button in h2 tag. And type button and data toggle collapse and data target let's say collapse 1 and let's add a text for our button accordion item 1. We need to create another div for collapse. We need ID for that div too. And then we need to use same name with that one. We are targeting ID like this, and we need to add a couple of more class, collapse and show. And let me get it down. And we need to add also data parent. Our data parent must be the same with that ID. And we need to add our accordion body. Let's add strong tag. Let's say lorem 10. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our accordion item. Let me copy that accordion item and paste 2 more. And let's change titles to accordion 2. And let's change that one to 2, 2. And we need to change that one to, and let's change the other one 3, and let's change that one to 3, and that one 2, and let's make it that one 3. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, we see all our accordions. We will use those things in our future projects. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.